The Jigsaw has a reputation for being hard to cut straight with, and without the right technique, that reputation is deserved. The blade flexes, the tool wanders, and what should be a straight line ends up looking like a gentle S-bend. In this video, I'm going to show you one method that fixes all that, and once you've used it, you'll use it every single time. Before the method, it helps to understand why jigsaws wander, because once you understand the problem, the solution makes complete sense. There's three reasons. The first, blade flex. Jigsaw blades are thin and flexible. Push the tool even slightly off course and the blade bends rather than the cut, changing direction instantly. The top goes where you steer it, the bottom lags behind. The second reason, following the line by eye. Trying to freehand a straight cut by watching a blade is surprisingly difficult. The blade, the shoe, the marked line, and your eye position all work against you. And third, wrong settings. Too much orbital action or too high a speed gives the blade less control and more opportunity to wander. Fix all three and you fix the problem. Start with a clear, accurate line. Use a sharp pencil and a steel ruler, not a tape measure, which flexes. Lay the ruler flat and draw a single clean line. For longer cuts, a chalk line snapped across the material gives you a perfectly straight reference in seconds. Mark the waste side, the part being cut away, with a small cross. Knowing clearly which side of the line the blade sits on prevents a surprising number of mistakes. Blade choice matters more than most people realise for straight cuts. A coarse 6 TPI blade cuts fast but is harder to control precisely. For accuracy, use a 10 TPI blade minimum. Use the shortest blade that comfortably clears your material. A longer blade deflects more and makes sure it's sharp. A blunt blade needs more force. More force means more wandering. If it's done a lot of cutting, swap it before precision cut. 3 settings to check before you cut. Orbital action. Set it to 1 for straight cuts in timber, 0 for hardwood, laminate or anything delicate. Less orbital action means the blade tracks straighter. Speed. 4 for hardwood and MDF, 5 to 6 for softwood. The bevel shoe. Confirm it is set to 0 degrees and the bolt is tight. A shoe that is even slightly off gives you a cut that looks straight from above but isn't square through the material. Takes 5 seconds to check and it matters. The clamped straight edge guide. This is the most reliable method for a straight cut, full stop. Once it's set up, the cut almost makes itself. The principle is simple. Clamp a perfectly straight piece of material, a steel ruler, a length of MDF, or a purpose-made guide, parallel to your cut line. The edge of the jigsaw shoe rides against it, keeping the blade on track without any steering from you. The key is the offset, the distance from the edge of your shoe to the blade. On this Ryobi Jigsaw, this is typically around 90 to 95 millimeters, but measure your own tool because it varies slightly. Make a parallel line, the distance from your cut line. That's where the guide goes. Clamp it securely at both ends and check it hasn't moved before you start. Then run the tool along the guide with light, consistent side pressure, keeping the shoe against it throughout. Don't push hard, just maintain contact. Keep your forward speed steady and let the blade do the work. The result is a straight, accurate cut that requires almost no skill to execute once the guide is in place. That's the point of it. Whatever you're cutting, clamp it every time, no exception. A workpiece that moves while you cut it is the single biggest cause of a wandering line. 2 clamps either side of the cut. Make sure there's blade clearance underneath, overhanging the material off the bench, or put a scrap timber beneath it. Clamp the guide separately from the workpiece. Both need to be completely secure before the tool goes on. Now a quick run through the mistakes that kill a straight line. Pushing too fast or slow. Consistent forward pressure lets the blade track straight. Rushing doesn't. Too much orbital action. Keep it at 1 or lower for precision cuts. Losing guide pressure mid-cut. Keep the shoe against a straight edge from start to finish, not just at the beginning. Also not checking the bevel. 1 or 2 degrees off 0 looks fine from above, but the cut face won't be square. 5 seconds to check every time. It comes down to setup, not skill. Right blade, correct settings, straight edge guide, everything clamped. And the cut makes itself. Set it up properly once and you'll do it this way every time. If this helps, a thumbs up really helps the channel. Subscribe for more guides like this one and drop a comment if you have a specific technique you'd like to cover in the next one.